Let's talk about something most people, especially seniors, completely overlook. Your neck. We take care of our face, maybe use a hand cream now and then, but the neck? It's often forgotten. Yet for most seniors over 60, it's the first place to show visible signs of aging. That thin, crepey, sagging skin right under the chin, often called turkey neck, can make you look older than you truly are. But here's the good news. You can tighten, smooth, and fade those neck wrinkles naturally without buying any expensive creams or fancy serums. And the secret? You probably already own it. It's Vaseline. That simple little tub of petroleum jelly sitting quietly in your drawer might just be the most powerful and affordable anti-aging secret for seniors over 60. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how this classic remedy works, the science behind it, and the dermatologist-approved way to apply it for firmer, smoother skin. We'll even go over a few natural add-ons that make this simple Vaseline hack even more effective. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own at-home night treatment that can make your neck look years younger, all without spending a dime on high-end creams. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to like this video if you love simple, natural remedies that really work. It helps other seniors discover the no-pill zone community too. Why the neck ages faster after 60. Now, let's get real for a second. The skin on your neck isn't like the skin on your face. It's thinner, it has fewer oil glands, and it produces far less collagen as we age. That means one thing for seniors over 60. Less natural moisture, less elasticity, more visible wrinkles. And here's the sneaky part. We move our necks all the time. Looking down at our phones, yes, tech neck is real, turning while talking, even sleeping on our sides. All of these daily habits cause the skin to fold again and again. Just like bending paper too many times, those folds eventually turn into lines, and those lines turn into deep wrinkles. Add years of sun exposure and a bit of dehydration, and suddenly the neck starts aging faster than any other part of the body. But here's the twist. Most people try to fix it the wrong way. They rush out to buy expensive neck creams filled with peptides, collagen boosters, and fancy extracts. But here's what most seniors don't realize. None of that matters if your skin can't hold moisture in the first place. That's exactly where Vaseline comes in. A humble hero for seniors who want results without breaking the bank. Keep watching, because this next part explains exactly why this little blue jar works better than many creams costing over $100. The simple science behind Vaseline. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is what dermatologists call an occlusive. That means it doesn't add moisture to your skin. It locks in the moisture that's already there. Think of it as a protective seal, a barrier that keeps all that precious hydration from evaporating overnight. While expensive creams often dry out after a few hours, Vaseline traps water inside your skin cells. The result? Softer skin, plumper texture, fewer fine lines. For seniors over 60, that's huge, because studies show that moisture loss, also called transepidermal water loss, is one of the main reasons our skin loses firmness and elasticity over time. By sealing in moisture, Vaseline literally stops that process in its tracks. Now let's compare this to those pricey neck creams. Many of them contain ingredients like mineral oil, dimethicone, shea butter. All of these are occlusives too, but Vaseline does it better. It's stronger, purer, and 10 times cheaper. Plus, it's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist-approved. Even classic beauty icons like Marilyn Monroe and Jennifer Lopez have sworn by it for keeping their skin glowing and wrinkle-free. So yes, seniors, that little blue jar really is skincare gold. If you're over 60 and want to restore firmness to your neck without spending hundreds, Vaseline might just become your new nighttime essential. But don't go running to the mirror yet, because in the next section, I'll show you exactly how to apply it the right way, so it works like magic overnight. So keep watching, and if you haven't yet, give this video a quick like to support more natural skincare tips here on No Pill Zone. Alright seniors, grab your Vaseline, because now we're going step by step through how to use this simple little jar to bring your neck back to life. Remember, this isn't about fancy creams or chemicals. It's about helping your skin heal naturally. So take your time and follow along. And if you haven't already, tap that like button to support more simple skin-saving tips here on No Pill Zone. Step 1. Start with clean skin. This step might sound basic, but for seniors over 60, it's one of the most important parts of any routine. Start by washing your neck, gently using a mild, non-stripping cleanser. Something creamy or hydrating, not harsh or foamy. The goal is to remove sweat, oil, sunscreen, dust, and pollution from the day. When your skin is clean, Vaseline can actually seal in moisture instead of trapping dirt underneath. After cleansing, pat your skin dry gently with a soft towel. Don't rub, just pat. You want your skin to stay slightly damp. That bit of moisture is what Vaseline will lock in. Step 2. Apply Vaseline on damp skin. Here's where the magic starts for seniors over 60. When you apply Vaseline on slightly damp skin, it seals in that water, trapping it inside your skin cells. That's what gives that plump, smooth, and youthful look, the kind of healthy glow that makes your neck look years younger. Just scoop out a pea-sized amount. That's enough. You don't need to layer it thick. A thin, even coat is perfect. Bonus tip: if you want a little extra boost, apply a hydrating serum or a few drops of rose water before the Vaseline. This creates what dermatologists call a moisture sandwich. Hydration underneath, sealed in perfectly on top. Step 3. Massage with upward strokes. This step makes all the difference, especially for seniors over 60 dealing with sagging or loose skin. When applying, always massage upward from your collarbone toward your chin. Never drag the skin down. Gravity already does enough of that for us. Use your fingertips to gently glide in long, smooth strokes for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here's why this matters. It boosts blood circulation, bringing more oxygen to the skin. It helps your cells absorb hydration deeply. And it stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen and elastin. So, you're not just moisturizing, you're giving your skin a gentle message to rebuild itself. Think of it as giving your neck a mini facial at home, without the spa bill. Keep watching, because the overnight step coming next is where the real transformation happens. Step 4. Let it work overnight. Once you've massaged it in, give it a few minutes before you go to bed. You'll feel a smooth, protective layer sitting on your skin. That's your barrier sealing in moisture. Now go ahead and rest. During the night, your skin naturally regenerates. Vaseline simply helps it along by locking in all that moisture so nothing escapes. It's like wrapping your neck in a soft, invisible blanket that helps it heal while you sleep. When you wake up the next morning, your skin will feel softer, more hydrated, noticeably smoother. And here's the best part for seniors. After just a few weeks of consistency, you'll start to notice fine lines fading, crepey texture smoothing out, a firmer, more youthful look overall, all from something sitting right in your bathroom cabinet. Why Vaseline beats expensive creams? Let's put things in perspective. There are dozens of high-end overnight neck creams that promise age reversal and firming miracles. They come in fancy jars, smell luxurious, and cost anywhere between $80 and $200. But if you read the ingredients, many contain alcohols, silicones, and preservatives that can dry or irritate mature skin, especially for seniors over 60. They give a temporary tight feeling, but not real repair. Vaseline, on the other hand, doesn't try to be high-tech. It's pure, it's simple, and it works. It's dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free and hypoallergenic. Doesn't clog pores or irritate skin. Supports your skin's natural barrier repair. It locks in moisture, protects elasticity, and even helps prevent future wrinkles by keeping your skin hydrated and flexible. So, the next time you see a $180 anti-aging cream online, just smile, because you already know the truth. The real secret for seniors over 60 is already sitting right there in your cabinet. Vaseline. That's the power of this simple little trick. It's easy, effective, and incredibly underrated. And if you're ready to take it one step further, keep watching, because up next, I'll show you 3 powerful Vaseline combinations that take this night routine to the next level for glowing, youthful skin after 60. And before we continue, don't forget to like this video if you're learning something new today. It truly helps the no-pill zone community grow. Dr. No Pill here, and now let's take your Vaseline routine to the next level. Many seniors over 60 don't realize that a few simple natural add-ins can multiply Vaseline's benefits. Let's go through them one by one. Aloe Vera is packed with antioxidants and natural enzymes that calm and heal the skin. When seniors combine Aloe Vera with Vaseline, it soothes irritation, eases redness, and seals in deep hydration. It's a wonderful combo for over 60 skin that often feels tight or sensitive. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful so far, tap that like button. It helps more seniors discover natural skin secrets like this. 2 Vaseline plus vitamin E oil. If you're over 60 and want a firmer, more youthful-looking neck, this one's a favorite of dermatologists. Vitamin E supports elasticity, reduces dark spots, and fights free radical damage, the main cause of sagging skin in seniors. Mix 1 capsule of vitamin E into a teaspoon of Vaseline before bedtime. By morning, your neckline will look smoother, softer, and more radiant. 3 Vaseline plus Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A and essential fatty acids that naturally boost collagen, something every senior over 60 needs more of. This blend helps even out skin tone, reduces discoloration, and restores that healthy glow that time tends to fade. For Vaseline plus castor oil, this combo is perfect for mature, over 60 skin that's starting to thin. Castor oil penetrates deeper than most oils and stimulates elastin and collagen production. Together with Vaseline, it firms the neck and leaves the skin looking smoother and more resilient. You can rotate these blends each night, depending on what your skin needs most. Keep watching because the next few tips are just as important as the creams you use. Everyday habits that make a big difference for seniors over 60. Stay hydrated. If your body is dehydrated, there's nothing for Vaseline to lock in. Drink enough water daily. Your neck and skin will thank you. Eat collagen-boosting foods. Add salmon, berries, avocado, flax seeds, and bone broth to your meals. These foods help seniors naturally rebuild collagen from the inside out. Sleep on your back. Pressing your face and neck against the pillow causes sleep wrinkles that deepen over time. Sleeping on your back protects the delicate skin of your neck. Never skip sunscreen. Many seniors forget that the neck gets as much sun as the face. UV rays break down collagen faster than age itself. Always apply SPF to your neck each morning. And here's the golden rule for seniors over 60. Be consistent. You won't see miracles in one night, but within a few weeks, you'll feel your neck getting smoother, softer, and noticeably tighter. The truth behind expensive creams. Let's be real. Most anti-aging neck creams promise collagen miracles and youth serums, but dermatologists know the truth. Collagen molecules are too large to sink into the skin. Those fancy jars you see online, they mostly sit on top of your skin while you pay hundreds for a temporary glow. What your skin really needs is moisture retention, and that's exactly what Vaseline gives you. It creates the perfect healing environment for natural collagen to rebuild itself. While high-end creams fade in a few hours, Vaseline keeps protecting, repairing, and preventing further dryness all night long. So here's your reminder from Dr. No Pill. You don't need to spend hundreds to look youthful after 60. You just need to understand your skin. Vaseline may not come in a fancy jar, but it gives seniors what their skin truly craves: protection, moisture, and repair. Sometimes the simplest routines lead to the biggest transformations. Try this Vaseline trick tonight, and in a week, look at your neck in the mirror. You'll notice it, that glow, that smoothness, that quiet confidence coming back. Because aging gracefully isn't about fighting time, it's about giving your skin what it's been missing all along. If this helped you, hit that like button, share it with another senior who deserves this secret, and keep watching No Pill Zone for more natural ways to stay youthful, vibrant, and confident, without pills or pricey creams.